guess, thoughts? Siguro that's a great experience for us sa team. Like last game, ang ganda nung nilaro namin. We fought really hard para ma-extend yung series. Right now, ngayong laro, so kinapos na. But well, I'm proud of my teammates. I'm proud of what the team has accomplished this conference. Diba? Parang before nga, wala namang nagkakala na magpa-playoffs kami or even magna-number 1. Like, sino ba naman? Kahit nga kami, hindi nga namin alam na number 1 kami, but we still believe, di ba? I'm proud of the effort na binigay ng mga teammates ko, the hard work and sacrifice, di ba? As, like I said, like I told the team, as much as we wanna feel sorry for ourselves, ngayong laro or after this conference, we still overachieve, and that's something na we have to be proud. Diba? It just so happened na nakalaban namin yung Ginebra sa semis na lakas naman. We all know how kung paano yung Ginebra, kung ano yung team nila. They're a great team. And yeah, we're still, happy dun sa naging result ng conference namin. Like I said, wala namang nag-akala na mag-playoffs, mag-semis or even number 1 kami. And we had ang dami rin namin nagawang history this conference. So, yeah.
Arvin, yung the following conferences?
Yeah, I'm sure may ganong story. Although, losing Kadim, kasi all Filipino, pag wala si Kadim, parang, di ba, we all so kung paano maglaro si Kadim, kung ano yung value niya sa team namin. But we have two or three guys coming back, and like that guy Josh, I'm proud of him. I think he took us to the next level this conference. See you. With the way he played this conference, diba? Because he's like malaking reason kung bakit kami nag-number 1 and why we made it to the semifinals. I'm proud of that guy. Everyone, kahit yung mga hindi naglalaro sa amin, but that's yung sacrifice nila sa practice, pinupush kami yung mga starters, and yung willingness nila to learn, diba? To improve, to be better. So yeah, I guess we're only gonna get better from here, diba? This is a great experience for us as a team na sana madala namin next conference, and yung Filipino.
Ano lang masabi mo sa chances of winning the PPC after your performance?
Well, I don't know. Now that it's over yung conference namin, I don't know, sino yung mga contender. So we'll see. At hindi ko alam but I saw medyo mataas din yung pangalan ko. But I guess lahat naman ng player na nandun deserve it, di ba? Alvin, Junmar, deserve na niya eh. Robert, di ba? Who else? Jordan Heading, di ba? So we all deserve it. So it doesn't really matter kung sino manalo. Wala naman, hindi naman yun kahit sino yung manalo dun talagang deserving. I mean, so siguro, diba? I mean, I hope na makakuha ko, and that's gonna be first kong award, first BPC, and okay din kasi it's a reward, for really, pushing myself every day, for really working hard, trying to be better. If ever, di ba, makuha ko, I'll be really, really proud of myself, the work that I put in. Gising na umaga, lahat ng sakit ng katawan. Although we didn't make it to the finals or win it all, but it's a big bonus.